Hey there! I am going to show you today a little bit about student permissions or other user permissions in a login account on Homeschool Planet. If you look on the left side of your planner, you'll see everyone's profile page. So I'm going to select a student and then choose to edit their profile. And then you'll see there are three tabs: Basic Info, Attendance, and Login. When you go to the login page, none of this information is present if they aren't allowed to log in, but if they are, you then get several options. The first, if this is not selected, then the student or perhaps another parent or a grandparent has full access to see all items on the calendar. If, however, you'd like to pare that down a bit, when you click this box, up will come a list of each account. They'll be in the same order as they are across the top of the screen, and 5 options for each person. View means they are allowed to view or see that person's items on their calendar. Edit means they can actually add or make changes to any classes, activities, or assignments. View grades means they can view the grades that have been assigned to them. Assign grades means they can actually go in and change or enter a grade for an assignment. And record time spent gives them the ability to record how much time was spent. So you may use this in a variety of ways. In this case, this is set up for Juliana, who is a 9th grade student, to be able to see her classes and to see her grades. If she was perhaps teaching a younger sibling, say she's teaching a class for Matthew, I may allow her to view, edit, and assign grades to Matthew. Now, I'm probably not going to do that, so I'm going to unselect those. You also might have a grandparent who you want to be able to see classes but not edit them, or to assign grades. You can work this any way you like. The bottom section says allow Juliana to see and update widgets. Those are the widgets that you find on the sides and bottom of your planner. And if you'd like the student to be able to make changes to those, you need to understand that the data sets between all widgets are the same throughout. So I happen to use a to-do list for each student, and they know only to change their own to-do list, not their siblings, but all the data is present. If you have any questions, please reach out and let us know so we can help you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.